Strong public schools are the heart of our community. They are essential to strengthening our economy and maintaining our community's vitality. They need support from the community. This Advocacy Toolkit has tips on how to be informed about public education policy in North Carolina. It is also a tool to help you communicate your views and know how to contact your elected officials. Public Schools First NC is happy to help connect you with others in your area engaged in supporting public education. Our contact information can be found at the end of this video. ncleg.gov is the website for the North Carolina General Assembly. There, you can find the legislative calendar and legislator contact information. You can follow education committees, including streaming audio and video of meetings. You can also track and follow bills as well as the votes of your state lawmakers. This is a screenshot of the General Assembly's website, ncleg.gov. Find news and information on the left side, the House and Senate calendars on the right side. The legislative calendar can be found on the right side below the House and Senate boxes. In the upper right corner, you'll see a tab for Find Your Legislators. This is a screenshot of the legislative calendar. Blue text beside meeting listings are links where you can find meeting details, such as agendas and members of the committees. On the right side, you will find buttons to stream audio or video of meetings. Here is a list of education committees to follow. We at Public Schools First NC follow these committees and report on them through our newsletters and on social media. Let's talk about advocacy, contacting lawmakers and spreading the word in your community. These tips will help you when writing to your lawmakers. Sending paper letters or postcards in the mail rather than emails can also be an effective way to contact lawmakers. Here is a sample letter you can use when writing to your state lawmakers. When calling legislators, be sure to know details about the bill that concerns you and the bill number. Tell your personal story. It's most likely you will speak with the legislative assistant. They are very used to speaking with constituents and will be happy to take your call. You can ask for a follow-up response from your representative. Here is a sample call script you can use when calling your state lawmakers. To help inform your community on a particular issue, use social media. Posting about an issue on social media can be a very effective way to advocate for public education. Be sure to use quick facts and links to support your points. Here are some sample tweets. These can be used on Twitter or other social media like Facebook. Write a letter to the editor. While newspapers are struggling to compete with digital news platforms, many voters and lawmakers still read letters to the editor. The tips listed here can help you have success getting your letter to the editor published. Please follow our legislative updates page for important information about education bills moving through the North Carolina General Assembly. Finally, we invite you to follow our website, publicschoolsfirstnc.org. We have many resources to help you be an advocate for public education. We have extensive research and fact sheets on many topics related to education. Please follow us on social media and on our YouTube channel, where you'll find videos of past webinars and conversations with education experts and local and state lawmakers. Contact us for help and support. With all of us advocating together, we can support our public schools, our teachers, and our students.